We should take an order on this vehicle straight away. Just arrived and priced to sell. Land Rover Defender 110, 3-litre diesel, D250, X-Dynamic SE in Eiger Grey. Car looks wonderful. X-Dynamic styling with all the black sections to the bottom of the car, the mid-section, the badges, 110 bonnet decal in matte black and checkerboarding in black. The car has a full exterior black pack, and that is a black roof, black mirrors, roof rails, 20-inch wheels, fixed side steps. SE really coming fully loaded with Meridian sound, with memory seat, with keyless entry. This car's got adaptive cruise control with blind spot assist. 3,000 miles only on the clock, or just under actually, on a 72 plate. It's in a like new condition. The 110, being the long wheelbase Defender, has so much space. This one's got side steps. You'll notice the arch is all painted as the X-Dynamic styling, front and rear mud flaps, towing hooks to the back, and that X-Dynamic styling to the rear end with all the gloss black sections to the bottom. Black Defender badges. Again, in a like new condition. This is one not to be missed. And I said it at the start of the video, we've priced this vehicle to sell it straight away. It's the best value car, like for like, in the UK for an SE of its kind. Love the Eiger Grey colour, especially when you get that contrasting black styling. In the back, lots of space, in a new condition, leather and robust deck seating, keyless entry. Now this is the SE, so if you don't know, there's different levels. The SE spec gives you memory seat for driver and passenger, fully electric. We have blind spot assist in the wing mirror. We have Meridian sound system. You'll see the blind spot assist just here. And of course the X-Dynamic styling to the exterior. Another standard feature of the SE is this daytime driving light with the matrix headlight, lifting the front end of the car and obviously providing you a great lighting as you're driving around. Steps to help me get in, you'll see the X-Dynamic kick sills as you jump in, Meridian sound system, I've mentioned the memory seats, and brilliant driving position in any Defender. The 110 is a big car, but it just feels like you're on top of the world sat in one of these things. Adaptive cruise control on the steering wheel here, full switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel in this car, and you'll see as you look up, black headlining with tilt and sliding glass roof, another lovely option on any Defender. Pivi Pro in these cars, which is wirelessly updated, always updating the software of the car. Wireless smartphone interface with your Apple and Android CarPlay. You've got the 360 and reversing camera with your 3D surround view camera system and off-road camera as well. Again, these cars are wonderful on-road or off-road with all your different driving modes. You'll see slope assist, compass, wheel info, weight sensor, all these different driving modes you can have for this car. Heated front and rear screens, digital climate control, heated front and rear seats, USB, USB-C inputs, 2 keys. The car is first class. It is a wonderful price. It's on the website now. If you're looking for a 110, I mean, you might not be looking for an SE in particular, but this car blows all the other ones like for like out the water. Instant seller for us on the website now. Thanks for watching.